Hello everyone, welcome to Renewable Mirror. It's the last day of REI Expo 2025, a celebration of ideas that will bring a prosperous future in the upcoming years. And today we are here at the stall of Dash PV for having a thoughtful conversation. Welcome to Renewable Mirror, sir. So, sir, can you please tell us more about Dash PV? Is the India's largest solar component manufacturer. So, can you please tell us the USP of Dash PV, how it has become this huge?
Hi, myself Mohammad Asif Patel, AVP of the Sales and Marketing at Dash PV. First of all, thank you so much for having me here. It's the last day of the third day of the REI, but I am seeing that the crowd is so high today also. And thank you for taking out time from your schedule and coming here. Now, you raised a very nice question about how we become India's largest solar component manufacturer. So we started journey with the solar junction box in the 2017, and we know that we from the day when we are working for the solution, not only for the product. So day on day we tried what we can bring more for the customers. So today we have the three products in basket. One is a junction box, which is our manufacturing capacity is around 40 gigawatt operational and another 23 gigawatts in the commissioning. So it's a total 63 gigawatt of the junction box. PV ribbon and interconnect, which we have started with the 6.5 gigawatt facility, and we are coming into the FRP frame, that is called composite frames. And we also supply the DC connection solutions to the all our solar EPC players and the solar module suppliers. Along with that, you are aware that we have already announced that the cable manufacturing plant of 1,000 kilometer per day. So we try to give the complete one basket to the customers that he can where we can fulfill his all requirements. And now coming to why largest, yes, in terms of the capacity, in terms of the market supplies, in terms of the market shares. I can say that we are not only in India as a capacity wise, but outside China. We are the largest capacity in terms of the junction box, and now we are going to be in a repair.
So, how Dash PV is going to expand in the upcoming years, as Dash PV's tagline also says, "Innovating tomorrow."
Thank you for noticing on the tagline, "Innovating tomorrow." Yes, we are trying not only on the expansion side. There are lots of things are going in the parallelly. We have the planning to bring a few more products in on board. But along with that, we are also seeing that how we can improve the product solution. So there are lots of innovations going on. This year, you have seen that we have come up with the 2000 VDC junction box. We came up with a new ribbon that's called rectangle kind of, where you have the better output. The same way, we are working on the lots of the product improvement also. And few products are in basket, that's we are evaluating. Yes, every time in exhibition we are promoting and we are announcing something for the new coming day. Look forward to do the same thing in the coming exhibition.
As the leading manufacturer of PV junction boxes, so what kind of challenges do you foresee in the Indian market?
See, we always see the challenges are as opportunities. Lots of things are we are saying that in the past. The module manufacturing capacity was low, and then it increased with the rapid expansions. So we are seeing that now there is a policy about the ALCM and all that's creating some ambiguity in the market. So I think that's the only thing. But yes, if I'll say in the other way, if we'll talk about the few years back, the people are not talking about the giga scale. Now the module manufacturing capacity always people are talking about the 1.2, and now many are doing expansion of double digit also. Same way the deployment, the people were raising the concern that India cannot deploy more than 20 gigawatt per year. But now we are seeing that we are already racing towards a 40 gigawatt. So lots of opportunities are there. Yeah, there are the certain challenges, but I think we'll jointly work it out and we'll make it smoother.